Alright guys, so this is now your first tutorial in XHTML. As you know, XHTML is basically the foundation of every web page on the web. So I'm just going to show you now the basic skeleton of every XHTML document, and in that case the skeleton of every website. So basically what you gotta do is, right, you got to put your code inside these two tags, right? XHTML uses all these different tags that, as we go through these tutorials, you'll start understanding. But for the moment, just bear with me. Basically, to start your document, the first thing you do is you see these less than signs and greater than sign. Basically, you get these, and inside these you put your this is what your tag is like, and inside here is the name of the tag. So the first tag you need is the HTML tag, so HTML in there. Okay, so now we've started our document with our HTML tag. So this is how we start every XHTML tag. This is like part of the skeleton. And then what we do is this is the very start of the document, and at the very end we close this. So this is opening the document, and now we're gonna close. Well, not now. We don't close it now, but obviously we'll close it at the end. But we'll do it now so we don't forget, and just to show you, like, now to close a tag, it's HTML, the same thing again, but you just put the / in front of the name, as you can see here. So now we've opened our document, and we can start putting our code all in here for the website, or whatever we want to put in there. And then this tag here will close our website. So that's the first tag we gotta know, is the HTML tags that open up the document and close the document. And then you put all your code in here, okay? And then there's two other types of these kind of tags that we're going to learn at the beginning. And the first one I'm going to show you now is the head tag, which is just, again, inside these little angle brackets which are just, greater than, less than signs. In here, the first one is head. Head, your head's on top of you. And then you want to close this one, so you just say / head, and that closes it. So that's the second little thing in here, right? In the head, between the head tags, we put like information about the site. We put the title of the web page goes in there. So like the title of the web page, info about the web page. And as we get through these tutorials, we'll start doing a thing called CSS, which stands for cascading style sheets. And basically what CSS is the decoration, or the like all the colors and things like that of your web page, and we put them in here. We don't put our colors and all that in here. This is just our text and our markup. You'll understand this now after a few tutorials, but you just gotta hear these words now for the first time, so next time I go to explain them, you'll be familiar with the words. But anyway, so just know that we have the HTML tags, opens the document and closes the document, every HTML document. And then we have the head tags, and then we have the body tag, so the body of our document. So in here, and then of course you close your body. So now I'll just space this out a little bit for you. Okay, so now we've opened it, and always just put the closing one just so you don't forget. And then, so we've opened it, and then we have our head tags, and all our our head information goes in here. Then we have our body tags, and in here just say you wanted all the text you want to put on your web page, things like that, that will go in here. And you can put pictures in here and things like that, and then up here you'll put the actual style of your web page. Up here, all your borders and your margins and all go in the head, you know, in between the head tags, and your body will just be all your, you know, content. So that's a basic kind of, you know, a basic tutorial on it, basics. Yeah, you get, that's just where you gotta start with this really. It does get a lot better. Obviously, there's not much to it at the moment, but this is just, you know, just the basic of it. This is the basic skeleton really of every HTML document and every web page. So that's your first tutorial there on XHTML. We will be learning a lot more, and through the process of these tutorials, we're actually going to build a website. So stay in for that and just, you know, learn this, take it in, and then next tutorial look at that. Alright, thanks.